Look, they switched the tracks.
Yep.
They're all 600. Power.
Gonna have to move or something.
Making noise.
There it is. Yeah, look, this is the Sierra Central. That was the one that kind of ran into the back. Let's see what happens.
The leader's going, but I don't think you have it too hard.
Who's running the gap forward?
You're on the same track.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you are on the same track.
Whoa. I thought there was going to be a train collision.
Hold the fruit.
That.
Let's back the passenger train up. Just who's got the Marvin? Back it up about 3 cars, would you? Hey, you're coming in. It'll be easier. That'll do, Marv.
I thought, yeah, that train might have been on the wrong track.
He's coming in. That's why he crossed over.
Right,
He's
yeah.
turning in the yard.
Yeah.
Oh, he crossed that road.
Yeah. Come on in at the
My train's...
He lost this. He lost the. He's leaving the caboose behind. Uh-oh, that didn't couple up. The caboose got left behind. Another coupling problem, guy. I think the caboose derailed a little bit.
Which train is it? I would ask Ed about it, but...
The caboose might have derailed a little bit.
Responding.
Huh? Oops.
Alright, let me go talk to Ed.
There he goes. Look at this one, guy. Hey, right behind you. It's like a real